I've spent weeks testing both phones side by side, and the results surprised even me. The iPhone 17's video capabilities are unmatched, but the Pixel 10's computational photography creates shots that feel almost magical. Which one ended up as my daily phone and why? The answer might not be what you expect. The $799 Showdown. At $799, you get different experiences. The base iPhone 17 includes 128 gigabytes storage, while the Pixel 10 matches that, but often adds cloud storage promotions. This immediate difference sets the tone for their approaches. Apple maintains premium build quality at this price. The aluminum frame and ceramic shield glass feel solid. Google invests more in camera hardware instead. You get the full camera system from their higher-end models. The Pixel includes all AI features at this tier. Nothing gets held back for more expensive versions. Apple reserves some Pro features for their Pro models. This affects camera controls and video recording options. Battery testing shows both last a full day. The iPhone handles heavy use slightly better in the morning. The Pixel manages evening usage more efficiently. They achieve similar results through different power management systems. For photography enthusiasts, the Pixel offers more included tools. You get computational features without extra payments. The iPhone focuses on hardware quality that maintains value over time. Resale prices typically stay higher for Apple devices. Cloud integration favors Google's approach. Their storage promotions help offset the smaller physical storage. Apple relies more on local storage with optional iCloud subscriptions. This creates different long-term cost considerations. The Pixel 10 delivers more features at the starting price. You receive advanced photography tools immediately. The iPhone 17 offers stronger construction and better resale potential. Your choice depends on immediate needs versus long-term value. Now let's see how they perform under heavy use. When you push these phones to their limits, their performance philosophies become clear. The iPhone's A19 Pro chip delivers higher benchmark scores across standard tests. It handles complex calculations and multi-core processing with impressive speed. The Pixel's Tensor G5 prioritizes AI task acceleration instead. This creates two distinct performance profiles for different user needs. Gaming reveals the most obvious differences. The iPhone maintains consistent frame rates during extended sessions. Graphics-intensive games run smoothly with minimal stuttering. The Pixel occasionally reduces performance to manage heat buildup. This helps prevent overheating but affects gameplay consistency during long sessions. Video editing shows another aspect of performance. The iPhone handles 4K exports and color grading without slowdown. Its vapor chamber cooling system manages heat effectively under sustained loads. The Pixel can handle light editing but struggles with complex timelines. Export times increase noticeably with multiple layers and effects. AI processing tells a different story. The Tensor chip handles real-time translation and image processing efficiently. These tasks complete faster than on the iPhone while using less power. Live captioning and voice assistant responses feel more immediate. The Pixel manages these specialized workloads without draining the battery quickly. The performance difference resembles using a sports car versus a delivery van. Both serve specific purposes well, but excel in different environments. The iPhone delivers raw computing power for traditional tasks. The Pixel optimizes for modern AI-driven applications and services. For heavy gaming and professional creative work, the iPhone provides more consistent performance. It handles sustained high-load situations without compromising quality. The Pixel performs better with AI features and cloud-connected tasks. Its efficiency with machine learning operations creates a smoother experience for specific applications. Now let's examine what matters most for content creators. For content creators, these phones approach the problem from opposite directions. The iPhone 17 focuses on professional video production tools. It supports ProRes RAW recording and Dolby Vision HDR workflows. These formats provide maximum flexibility for color grading and post-production editing. You can capture footage that integrates directly with professional editing software. The Pixel 10 emphasizes AI-enhanced photography and seamless cloud integration. Its computational photography creates polished results without requiring manual editing. Storage options reflect their different philosophies. The iPhone offers up to 2 terabytes of local storage for large video files. This accommodates high bitrate recordings and extensive media libraries. The Pixel maxes out at 1 terabyte locally, but integrates more cloud storage options. Google's approach assumes constant internet connectivity for file management. The front camera systems serve different creator types. The iPhone's front camera excels for vloggers and video creators. It captures high-quality video with excellent audio capture. The Pixel's front camera optimizes for social media content and selfies. Its AI enhancements automatically adjust lighting and skin tones. Video creators will prefer the iPhone's professional codecs and storage capacity. The ability to shoot and edit in professional formats saves significant time in post-production. Photographers may prefer the Pixel's computational photography. It delivers share-ready images without transferring files to editing software. Cloud integration becomes another differentiator. The Pixel seamlessly syncs content across devices through Google's ecosystem. The iPhone requires more manual management through iCloud or external drives. Each system suits different workflow preferences and internet reliability situations. The choice resembles selecting between a professional camera and an instant camera. One provides raw materials for refinement, the other delivers finished products. Serious video creators need the iPhone's professional formats and storage options. Photographers and social media creators benefit from the Pixel's automated enhancements. That said, the camera systems deserve their own detailed examination. These two phones represent completely different camera philosophies. Apple focuses on capturing perfect raw sensor data, while Google relies on computational photography to create the final image. This fundamental difference affects every photo you take. The iPhone's 48 megapixel sensors capture more detail in the original file. You get larger image files with more information for editing. This benefits photographers who want to adjust exposure and color manually. The Pixel processes images heavily before saving them. Its software combines multiple exposures and applies AI enhancements automatically. Daylight photography shows both approaches can produce excellent results. The iPhone delivers natural colors and sharp details straight from the sensor. The Pixel creates slightly more vibrant images with boosted contrast. Neither approach is objectively better, just different interpretations of the same scene. Low-light situations reveal the Pixel's computational advantage. Its night mode combines longer exposures with noise reduction algorithms. Shadows appear cleaner with less visible grain. The iPhone preserves more natural noise patterns that some photographers prefer for authenticity. The Pixel's results look more polished straight from the camera. Zoom capabilities favor Google's hardware approach. The Pixel's 5x optical zoom provides clearer, distant shots. The iPhone uses digital zoom with computational enhancement. Both systems work well for moderate zoom levels, but the Pixel maintains better quality at maximum zoom. Video recording clearly favors the iPhone's approach. Its cinematic stabilization produces smoother footage when moving. Professional codecs like ProRes allow more editing flexibility. The Pixel's video features feel more consumer-focused with good stabilization, but fewer professional options. The choice resembles shooting film versus using instant photography. One gives you raw materials to craft your vision. The other delivers finished products immediately. Photography purists who edit manually should choose the iPhone. Point-and-shoot users wanting share-ready images will prefer the Pixel. Each system serves different creative needs effectively. The iPhone supports professional workflows requiring maximum flexibility. The Pixel simplifies photography for social sharing and quick results. Your preference depends on how much control you want over the final image. Finally, let's determine which phone deserves your money. The iPhone 17 serves pro video creators and performance users best. It handles demanding workflows and professional video formats with consistent results. The Pixel 10 excels for photography enthusiasts and Android loyalists. Its computational photography delivers polished images without manual editing. Your perfect choice depends on priority. Value raw processing power and professional tools? Choose iPhone. Prefer AI-enhanced photography and seamless software integration? Pick Pixel. Subscribe for more head-to-head comparisons that help you make smarter tech decisions. Both phones perform well, but each targets different user needs effectively.